What's up, guys? Today we're just going to make an order. I'm just going to show you a few different ways to make an order of Youngevity products. First of all, you could go to Youngevity.com. I don't really like going to Youngevity.com. I like doing it in the back office, and I will show you that, but you can just do it here. You can just log in, sign in to your account, preferred customer or distributor, and order any products. Or you could go to the extranet, which you would find it here on the bottom of Youngevity, distributor back office. And whether you're a customer or a distributor, you can sign in here. This takes you to the new one, but I actually like the old one. It's called the legacy one. So I just went up here, Business Center, Legacy, and sign in there. And this is how I do all my own orders. This is how I would help anybody else make an order, and this is how I would enroll new people, new customers for their first order. So you could just go to new order, make an order, and this is going to take you to this website, shopbydesign.com. There's also another website. I don't know why there's so many websites, but I also use this one, by YGY. It's a more basic website. You can log in there as well, right? But here you just search any of the products and put them in your cart. But I never do it this way. You know, we're teaching people to get the best deal, so I like doing it on auto ship. And if I'm not making a new customer, enrolling a new associate here, then I'm going to be doing an auto ship order. And so auto ship is pretty simple. You just go to your auto ship and you can put in your information and set it up for the next month is the key to that. And so if it's the end of the month, this month, you set your auto ship for the first of next month. You know, if it's the second of this month, well, you can only make an auto ship the earliest, the first of next month. So that doesn't help you that much, but this is why we keep auto ships running. And if they do have to pay the shipping, then they just go ahead and make a regular order. And they could do that through Youngevity.com, through YGYOntario.com. They could log in. If they don't already have an account, I recommend you make them an account. And you do that through enroll new associate here. Again, I did it in the back office. You could also do it in this regular back office. You could also do it on Youngevity.com. Once you log in, you'll be able to enroll an associate there. But again, I like the back office. It's the easiest way to do it. Just pick your country. Usually it'll be the USA. Make sure they're a preferred customer here instead of a distributor. If they do want to be a distributor, go ahead and put distributor. The one key difference is they will need the SSN number or the SIN number in Canada, or whatever your tax ID number is in whatever country it is. And that's because you get a legitimate tax form. It's a legitimate business, you know. So key for that actually is that if people are taking advantage of the business opportunity for the tax reasons, and there's many tax benefits to owning your own business, the business doesn't have to actually make any money. That means you could enroll somebody here as a distributor, and they basically buy a business license. It requires their SSN number, right? And then they actually get a legitimate tax form. And whether or not that business makes money, they're still able to take advantage of the tax benefits for business owners, small business owners. So AKA they're able to write things off into their business, and that is excluded from their company. And it's actually a big list of benefits, and any average person should really look into taking advantage of that. And that's why this distributor thing is there. That's also so we can make money in this business by distributing these products or by recommending them and getting commissions. But either way, preferred customer, put in the information. It'll give you, well, if preferred customer kit here is $0, it just sets them up as a preferred customer, and that hooks them up under you so that you get your commissions, right? And when you go there, it'll give you product options, but when you go continue, it'll take you to product options. But you don't need to buy them right away. They could sign in, again, just in any one of these portals and get their product that way, or sign up an auto ship any way you like. But so that's the basics. And, you know, by the way, I have my own site just to take the money, so I can do this for them, because this can be kind of complicated. But once you know how to do it and make orders and get the free shipping, I mean, that's the best deal that we can get, right? So optimally, we do want our customers, we want everybody getting the lowest possible price that they can, which is the wholesale price through the back office or Youngevity.com with a preferred account, preferred customer account, or a distributor account. Now we all have access to the wholesale price. We all have access to auto ship and the free shipping, over 100 QV orders, and that's it. That's how we do it. So short little video here, but I hope it helps. Let me know any other questions or any other things that I can go into.